Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eyeshadow look. This is look number 5 in my 10 looks using one palette series. In this series I am highlighting the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I have my brows on and my eyes are primed. We are doing look number 5 today. You can hear the wind. I'm sorry, it is crazy windy outside right now, like insane windy. I'm going to start by picking up this Morphe M504 and dipping into Edge. My eyes are primed with concealer and set with a powder. I'm still trying to decide which way is best to prime my eyes with this palette. Next, on a Morphe M441, I'm picking up New Wave, tapping off the excess. I'm going to work that into the crease. I'm just really building that into the crease, and then when I get most of the pigment off of the brush, I blend it up. This brush is really nice because it's tapered, so it fits right in your crease really well. It makes it easy to really define that. Taking that first brush with no extra product, I'm just going to blend a little bit. On a Morphe M433, I'm going to mix New Wave and Fudge. I'm going to pack that onto the outer corner, slightly bringing it into the crease. Taking that second brush and just blending out this outer corner. I'm going to take just Fudge and try to deepen that. And then back in to blend that out a little bit. Taking that first brush again and just blending out all the edges. You see this brown? It's being very weird. Right here where all three colors are kind of connected, it's doing it on both sides. It's very strange. I don't know why it's doing that. I'm going to dip back into Fudge and try to build up that color. Not really sure why they're blending together so weird. It's almost like they stuck right here and they won't blend out like the rest of the colors are. It's very weird. It's like they just grabbed right there and they're not going to do anything else. I'm not really sure if I can fix this. Man, it looks weird. I don't know why it's doing that. I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to do a half cut crease. Then I'm going to pick up Electric on a packing brush and I'm going to spray that with a setting spray and place that all over where I set that concealer. once I have that on, I don't really know what to do, because do you see that? I feel like it needs to be darker on the outer corner, but the next darkest thing to fudge is either All Star or Rowdy, and I feel like if I did that I might ruin the whole look, but I do feel like I need it darker on the outer corner. I'm just going to try to build up fudge a little bit more on this Morphe M441. Just pat it over and then try to blend it out once I hopefully get a decent amount of pigment on there. Still looking, maybe I need to spray it. Oh, that makes me nervous. Maybe I can see why so many people are having issues. This is kind of hard and kind of frustrating. Okay, so I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush. This is a BH Cosmetics number 7 brush. And try to blend out this outer corner. You see how it's like taking the pigment away? Okay, we'll take a little bit of Rowdy. And just pack that on the very outer corner, hopefully deepening it to where you can't see the patches. Why does one eye always look so much better? Blending that very edge out. I'm going to take a highlight shade out of my contour palette and just clean up under my brow. I'm just going to line my lid with some eyeliner. This is the Physicians Formula Eye Booster in Ultra Black. I actually did decide to do wings. So then I'm just going to pop on some lashes and some mascara. Okay, so I just popped on some lashes. Over here is just giving me the hardest time. So I'm going to try to add a little bit more of Rowdy. And taking that BH Cosmetics brush and trying to blend it as carefully as possible so it stops getting patchy.
Mama, windy?
Yeah, it's just windy. Okay, and that is what the eyes look like right now. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup, film another video, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I just finished up the rest of my makeup. I am filming a foundation wear test on this right now. It'll probably be the next video that comes out, but I'm gonna finish up the eyes. First, taking this BH Cosmetics number 10 brush. It's just a flat edge definer. And packing that on the outer 2/3 of the lower lash line right next to the waterline. Then taking this Morphe E36, I'm going to pick up All Star and smoke that out. I'm going to take the highlighter that I used on my face today, which is this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Illuminating Palette. And I'm going to grab this pearly shade over here, put that on the inner corner and right under the brow, the arch of the brow. I'm going to use my 24/7 Glide On Pencil by Urban Decay in 0, and then just popping on mascara on the lower lash line. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is look number 5 in my 10 looks using one palette series. I had some issues this time and last time actually. Fudge, for some reason on my outer corner where I want to get it nice and dark and deep, it does not look like that. It will get patchy, it will stick to places, it will, when I start blending it out, then it's almost like the pigment that I just put on isn't there anymore. So that's kind of weird. I was able to make it work, and I actually really love this eyeshadow look that I did today. It just took me a while to build up this outer corner. Other than that, every other shade was really easy to use. I think the problem here is just these super deep pigmented intense shades like Rowdy, All Star, Fudge. Fudge isn't that deep, but it was doing that weird patchy thing. I'm sure Access is the same. So any of these deeper shades here I've been having issues with, but I was able to make it work, and I really like this eyeshadow look. Let me know what you think of this look down below. Also, what shades you want me to highlight in this palette. I have 5 more looks coming. Like I said, I am filming a foundation wear test on this foundation right here, so that video will be coming up next. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.